we want to give you one more chance to ask one question to a dater of your choice, no follow-ups.
Ready ka na ba magmahal ulit?
Oh my God, is he crying? Yun yung nasa isip ko.
I don't think I want to talk about that.
Paglabas niyang ganun, umiiyak si Polo. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Wait lang. I'm so sorry, Polo.
Love is in the air and the clock is ticking. Time has run out for our daters as they are about to make their final decision. Nandito tayo ngayon sa iconic clock tower right beside Victoria Harbor where it all began.
And after a whirlwind tour of the vibrant and energetic Hong Kong, nahanap na kaya ng ating daters ang kanilang perfect match? Well, today is the day. Kaninong ship kaya ang maglalayag? Let's find out.
Okay, so it's a new day, and our time is almost up here in Hong Kong. Each and every one of us, we had the time to spend our love points.
I have been thinking the whole night. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. Before ako natulog, inisip ko. Sabi ko, ano talaga pipiliin ko? Nandito ka?
Ayaw mo ba? Pinili mo ah. So, ginamit niya yung love points niya sa akin. Ang cute lang na ako yung kinuha ni Pupa kasi siya din naman yung pipiliin ko.
Pinili kita for just 3 minutes because gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na I really appreciate na you were honest. Nung nag-usap tayo ng 10 minutes, remember? I enjoyed the time. Genuinely was really happy with that time. Totoo naman talaga sinabi ko nung sa dinner. I felt the connection. I feel like we could be really good friends.
Siya talaga yung parang pinaka-sincere for me. Ewan ko, iba yung tago sa akin ni Pupa. Iba na yung tingin ko kay Pupa.
Sige, yun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na parang feeling ko nagigets mo na.
Gets ka naman.
Nag-ano ba?
Oo, nagigets ka naman.
Na-read mo ba?
Yes.
I was certain na si Jom piliin ko eh. Sabi ko, si Jom na pipiliin ko talaga. But then, yun nga, parang... dumating si JC. Tapos, yun nga, parang nag-click din kami.
Sobrang happy ako na makasama ka dito sa Hong Kong. And ikaw yung pinili ko kasi I think pag-uwi natin magiging close din tayo. And thank you.
Thank you also. I appreciate yung honesty mo. So, I kind of, bumalik ako sa sarili kong values. Ano bang gusto ko talaga? And number 1 is yung honest. Last day na, no?
Last day na.
Did you choose already? Nag-choose ka na?
Medyo nahihirapan ako mag-decide kay Pupa at kay Alex.
Meron kaming chance na malagamit yung love points. Actually, first ko din and definitely last na ginamit ko siya kay Ron. Wala, na-appreciate ko lang yung time na nakilala kita nung meron tayong group date. Parang kasi nga ikaw yung pinaka-least ko na hindi gusto sa kanila. And I think ang unfair ko doon. And I just wanna apologize for making you feel bad. I'm sorry, hindi ko siya intensyon. Kaya nga sinabi kong lover boy instead of playboy. Alam ko naman na nakakainis kapag nadjudge ka ng tao.
Yeah, thank you for that. Kumbaga, sabi ko naman kahapon, na-appreciate ko din naman yung pagiging honest mo sa akin. Laging kailangan ba mawalan ng oras or maubusan ng time or opportunity kayo for you to realize na parang ang isang tao pala hindi mo pwedeng sabihin masama o mabuti siya sa unang kita mo pa lang sa kanya. Ikaw yung pinaka-late na pumasok pero ikaw yung pinaka...
Feeling ko unselfish ka naman.
nagustuhan ko. I mean, yung wow factor na gusto kong makuha dito, dun ko lang nakuha nung pumasok ka.
Thank you. Meron akong desisyon or meron akong napili. And I think okay na ako doon.
I'm so happy din na nakilala kita. Kahit na saglit lang. Hindi ko alam, hindi ako nag-expect talaga na kung sino man pipili sa akin dyan. Thank you. Pwede kayo hug? Oh.
Pagkapunta ko doon, nagulat ako si Ron. So, nagulat ako na he wanted to talk to me.
Mayroon. I only have 3 minutes, so I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for boosting me last night. Naiba talaga yung ano ko. I mean, yung tingin ko sa inyo. Lahat. Kumbaga, nandun ikaw yung pinaka-okay for me. Kaya nga, sabi ko sa'yo last night na sana maging magtropa tayo or maging magkaibigan tayo pagka uwi natin.
Aww. I have time. Okay? Okay. I appreciate Ron whenever he shows his soft side. And I feel like not all the girls were able to see that side of Ron. I feel like you're misunderstood din kasi by a lot of people. So I hope na you choose who you can open up to them.
Hindi mo talaga malalaman yung storya. Pinapakita ko lang is the title itself. The title and its cover. Kumbaga, yung mga deserving sa book na to is yung willing talagang buksan yung book, basahin, intindihin. Sila yung may deserve ng libro na to. Yeah, good.
Nung I was waiting for Polo, iniisip ko na talaga kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa kanya. Dami kong thoughts, wait. Wala pang madali. And I think I was just overwhelmed because I wanted him to also want me. I tried my best to be vulnerable kasi during the show talaga, like, wala lang, super na-appreciate ko lang yung ibang daters because parang nakita naman pala nila yun. I don't know.
Hi, Daddy. How are you? Are you okay?
Ikaw kasi.
Huh?
Started the crying test.
My bad.
Out of all the guys naman kasi talaga, you're my top pick. Because, I don't know, parang I was drawn to you first date pa lang. Wala, I'm nervous lang because I don't know who you're gonna pick also.
My first choice, honestly, was Dani again kasi nga I had a really genuine connection with her. Pero
wala. Pero, I can't say naman pick me. I'm now very anxious na who he's gonna pick.
I'm definitely down to see you again right after the show.
Okay. Aw, I'm so sweet with you. Thank you.
So, today's the last day. Ginamit ko yung love points ko kay Polo. Kamusta ka na?
Okay naman.
Alam ko talaga, pipiliin ko tong final love points for you.
Thank you.
Simula nung nag-open up ka last night.
Why is that?
Kasi gusto ka kamustahin. Tsaka, I think yun yung pinaka parang unguarded ka last night.
Kind of, yeah. Actually, hindi ako sanay na mag-gano'n.
I know. Kaya nga nag-breakdown ka talaga, diba? So,
Yeah.
gusto ko talaga kamustahin ka. Ano
I'm
ba
okay.
yung,
Kasi
How do you feel mo right now?
I feel lighter, for sure.
Gusto ko talaga yung sinabi mo na, kaya siguro ako nag-artista kasi I feel unseen. Di lahat ng tao kayang maintindihan why they act the way they are the way they are.
pinili ko rin siya kasi I felt like baka feeling niya siya yung dahilan kung bakit nasaktan ako ng gano'n. And I just wanted to reassure her na it wasn't her fault.
Ikaw pala yan. Charot. Hi,
Hindi, medyo
ikaw pala yan.
nabitin kasi yung usapan natin eh.
Happy ako na pinili niya ako.
First of all, I didn't want you to feel guilty kasi sorry kagabi. Feeling mo kasi baka na-trigger mo na umiyak ako. I mean, you did, pero not your fault. Na-trigger siya because
Okay lang din sa akin na na-trigger ka kasi parang mas, diba? Don't you feel good?
I do. So yeah, thank you po din.
Oh, emotional pala siya.
Ako emotional akong tao talaga. Emotional
Ito talaga yun in-expect. Feeling ko kailangan niya lang ng may kinig sa kanya. Willing ako makinig kung may chance pa kami later mag-usap.
After what happened, I think now I'm more drawn to Victoria kasi parang mas na-attract ako sa ganun. Mas na-attract din ako sa pagiging vulnerable niya.
And the time has come for our daters to choose. And that's happening right now dito sa isa sa mga most iconic and romantic spots here in Hong Kong.
Malalaman natin kung AI perfect match nga ba o love match made in Hong Kong. Let's find out.
the time has come for our daters to choose. And that's happening right now dito sa isa sa mga most iconic and romantic spots here in Hong Kong.
With this breathtaking panoramic view of the Victoria Harbor, malalaman natin kung AI perfect match nga ba o love match made in Hong Kong. Let's find out.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, ate.
Apakaganda mo. Talagang
Hi, thank
nag-prepare ka. Ready ka? Excited ka?
Oo, excited. Na-excite ako at the same time kinakabahan ako kasi nga baka wala akong makamatch or excited din ako kung sino makakamatch ko.
Now, let's wait. Tignan natin kung sino ang darating. Are you expecting someone?
Sana yung gusto ko.
Siyempre.
Na-expect ko talaga na lalabas si Ron. Ang tagal. Ikot ako ng ikot yung mata ko. Ang init-init. Hinihintay ko. Bakit walang lumalabas?
Alex, time is up.
Okay.
And I'm so sorry. Walang dumating.
Walang dumating.
That means I'm really very sorry, but you didn't find a match in time.
Okay. Na-frustrate talaga ako na walang nagpakita kasi nga, yun nga, ina-expect ko si Ron or kahit si JC.
Don't worry, you're beautiful. There's a lot more men that will appreciate you and that will see the best in you. Bago matapos ang lahat, may I know the dater of your choice? Kasi dalawa yung kaninang sinabi mo. So, sino sa kanilang dalawa?
Siguro si JC.
Si JC. Okay. At dahil dyan, nandito si JC.
It's a game. Ganun talaga, guys. Laro talaga ang pag-ibig. Minsan manalo, minsan talo. Ganun talaga. Ikaw kasi talaga yung choice ko. Feel like ikaw yung pinaka-best. Tsaka ikaw, you don't have to... Parang wala kang kailangan masyadong patunayan sa aming mga babae. Tahimik ka lang.
Thank you sa pagpili. Sobrang appreciate ko yun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pero ayun nga, nakakalungkot din na... Kasi meron din akong hope na JC and I will end up.
Hi, Pupa. You're so pretty.
I'm so not used to it.
Okay lang yan. But, Pupa, handa ka na bang malaman if you have a perfect match?
I want to know, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. During that moment, honestly, hindi ko alam. As in, sheesh.
Hi, Jo Marie.
Hello. Hi, Don.
Okay. Oh, Jo Marie came. Para
sa'yo.
ano ba para sa akin?
Thank you. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na dalawa sila yung pupunta.
Ay, wait lang. Bakit dalawa?
Sakto yung tunog, ah.
Pupa, JC is also here.
Kala ko para sa akin.
Sheesh!
Hindi pa.
Speechless si Pupa.
Hindi ko alam talaga anong gagawin. At the same time, alam ko kasi kung sinong pipiliin ko dun sa dalawa.
Pupa, it means JC and Jo Marie picked you. But, you know, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-ibig, there has to be only one.
Medyo na-shockera ako ng konti. Overwhelming siya in a way.
Ikaw yung pinili ko kasi pag magkausap tayo, sobrang natural yung flow ng conversation natin. And nag-enjoy ako pag nagko-converse tayong dalawa. And that's very rare.
Na-appreciate ko yung pag-open mo sa akin. Sobrang na-inspired ako sa'yo sa lahat ng nakwento mo. And yung mga ideal ko, yun yung nakita ko sa'yo. And yun, interesado pa akong makilala ka lalo. Siyempre, kinakabahan din ako konti, pero yun nga, more on acceptance kung sino man or hindi.
Pupa, you'll have to choose only one.
So, kagabi, they're my top two choices.
Them?
Yeah, both.
Oh, okay.
At first, wala talaga akong type.
Okay.
Honestly, like when it comes to look. So I wanted to get to know the three guys. It was so natural. Like, there was no dead air. Napasayaw ko pa siya sa parang, that was fun. I was actually really certain about Jo Marie. But then,
Guluhin ang mundo mo.
gugulin talaga.
So ngayon, tatanungin kita, Pupa, who is the dater of your choice?
So I'm choosing JC.
Wow. Yun yung reaction ko talaga sa, okay, masaya ako na ako yung napili.
JC, congratulations. And Jo Marie, I am so sorry.
Okay lang.
But Pupa already made a choice.
Nasaktan ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nasaktan. Basta alam ko, nasaktan ako.
Jom, we're sorry you didn't find your match here in Hong Kong. How do you feel?
Na-feel ko yung rejection at that time. Okay lang naman. Ganun talaga eh.
You know, Jo Marie, that makes you human.
Yeah.
It means it's really genuine kasi na-hurt ka. It's not the end of the road pagdating sa pag-ibig just because you didn't find a match here.
Life is beautiful at marami pang mas deserving ng...
Thank you, brother.
Still, congratulations, Jo Marie, and
Thank you,
good
guys.
luck.
Yes, thank you.
To Jom, I just want to say that whatever I said before, lahat yun totoo. I'm sorry if I wasn't really clear. I don't mean to hurt anyone. Gusto kitang kausapin, honestly, in person. Pero I don't know how to talk to you.
Okay, congratulations, JC. Perfect match. Okay. Excuse me.
Sobrang hindi ko in-expect. Akala ko hindi ako pipiliin kasi yun pinapakita sa akin ni Pupa na ayaw niya ako. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Happy ako. As in, sobra. Thank you sa pag-choose sa akin.
I didn't expect you to choose me. Actually, I did not expect him to choose me kasi akala ko he was gonna choose Alex. I cannot words. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin. Hindi ko alam kung paano gumalaw. But thank you for choosing.
Alam mo yun, nabuo dito sa Hong Kong. Mabubuo natin, baguhin natin. Happy ako.
Same.
Kinakabahan ka ba?
A little. I'm just scared and yeah.
Pwede ba namin malaman kung sino ang pinipili mo?
Hirap eh.
Natuwa ako kasi actually everything just fell into place.
Ron, today is the final day here in Hong Kong. Anong nararamdaman natin?
Masaya na may konting lungkot. Anong una, medyo heavy, medyo emotional ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling emosyon ko na yon.
So at this point, pwede ba namin malaman kung sino ang pinipili mo?
Hirap eh. Minsan ko nang dinaya yung sarili ko nang dahil sa pagmamahal. Kaya ayoko nang... Ayoko na siyang maulit. Ayoko siyang gawin sa sarili ko. Ayoko siyang gawin sa ibang tao. Kaya gusto ko siyang panindigan hanggang sa uli. Pero wala eh. Ano na, time's up na. Kaya... wala akong pinipili talaga sa kanila. Mas pinipili ko yung sarili ko. Dahil yun yung totoong nararamdaman ko eh. Mas una mong mahalin yung sarili mo. Pag nagawa mo na yung sa sarili mo, for sure, mahanap mo na rin yung love na gusto mo.
Sorry that you didn't find your match here in Hong Kong, Ron. Ako gusto ko lang sabihin, Ron, na I'm proud of you. Nakita ko yung journey mo, yung mga pinagdaanan mo dito.
Nag-enjoy naman ako. Yun naman yung gusto ko nung pumasok ako dito. Talaga mag-enjoy ako. Kumbaga, ipakita kung sino ako. Yung saya naman na yun, dadalhin ko rin naman yun. Kumbaga, magiging nasa ano yun, malalagay yan sa core memories ko eh.
I'm nervous. This is the first day that I'm nervous. Because kailangan na namin pumili eh.
Kinakabahan ka ba? A little. This is the day, your final moment. So we'll wait a little while and see who's coming.
Ang daming tumatakbo sa utak ko and of course, I want to be picked by someone that I like. I was already spiraling down my thoughts na what if nobody picks me? What if I opened myself up too much na it was too much for them?
Danny, the time is up. And no one came.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, but you didn't find a match in time.
Okay. Really?
No one came.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine.
You okay?
No. Sobrang, like, naiyak talaga ako and everything was so overwhelming.
Danny, you're beautiful. You're confident. This does not define you as a woman. It doesn't make you any less of a woman.
Yeah, I think I'm also proud of myself. If anything, this is learning experience. It's always a learning experience. Wala eh, hindi, I don't hold grudges. I'm not bitter. I'm never bitter.
That's my girl. No regrets, right?
No regrets.
But Danny,
Yeah.
I will give you a little time and one more chance to talk and say whatever you want to say to the dater of your choice.
When time was running up and I was waiting for Polo specifically to show up.
Polo,
Yes?
Danny, she was expecting you, but you didn't come. So I'll give you a little bit of a time to talk and say whatever you want to say to each other.
Honestly, I don't know why I expected so much that he would show up. Hi.
It's me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you didn't expect it? Hello. When he was there, I didn't want to show him that I was vulnerable. So I tried my best to push my tears back.
I mean, I did kind of, pero with everything that happened last night, I was thinking na baka may possibility na you could have chose someone else. How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I mean, so wala. Medyo, siguro na-disappoint din ako. I'm glad I got to know you during this trip here. Feel ko this show solidified that thought in my head na I'm not here to play games. If someone is in front of me and I like that man, I like that person, I'm gonna tell that person, even after this date, even if I feel rejected, because that's me staying true to myself.
Danny, I just want you to know that there's nothing wrong with you. It's not your fault. You're a very good person. You're very lovable. And yeah, you're very genuine. And kung di man yung nakikita ng tao sa'yo, that's their loss and not yours.
Victoria,
Hello.
today is your final day. Tingnan natin kung sino o meron bang dadating.
Oh my God.
So, ano yung mga tumatakbo sa isip?
Right now, I'm just scared and yeah. Okay lang, happy naman, excited, and scared. Hindi ko na-expect na may pipili sa akin. Simula first day hanggang dulo.
Victoria, I think somebody wants to talk to you right now.
Oh my God. Whoa, ganun. Nagulat ako. Hi.
Hi, Victoria. This is for you.
Thank you.
Polo, is there something that you want to say?
Yes.
Victoria?
I just wanted to explain why I chose you. I chose you kasi sa'yo ako pinaka nag-resonate, pinaka nakakonect.
Na-flatter naman ako na pinili ako ni Polo.
Also gusto ko lang sabihin, don't stop being genuine. Hindi man maintindihan ng ibang tao yung pagiging genuine mo. Do know that as long as you're genuine, you'll attract the right people and the right ones will know.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for choosing me.
Of course. Natuwa ako kasi actually everything just fell into place. Wala akong pinilit or wala akong inisip na senaryo na mangyayari. And it all just happened the way it did. So, I'm happy how it went.
I feel the same way about you and ikaw din yung pinili ko as my final date.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations, guys. It's a match made in Hong Kong.
Oh my God.
I'll leave you to it.
Let's go. Congrats.
Dumating naman talaga ako dito ng zero expectations. Hindi ko na-predict yun nangyari. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really happy. I mean, really, really, really happy.
I'm happy that you're happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, then. Thank you.
It's a match.
I want to get to know you more after. Sana hindi to showbiz Kung showbiz to.
MMA fighter, ito bubugbugin ako na ito eh. Same din, sobrang naging interesado ako sa'yo nung nakilala kita. Gusto kong i-build tong friendship natin.
And yeah, for sure, magkikita pa kami sa Manila and hopefully with our other daters as well kasi nag-enjoy ako kasama sila sobra. Halata naman.
Sa panahon ng modern dating, no algorithm can beat the magic of meeting someone and feeling that chemistry. Samahan mo pa ng perfect and romantic destination that is Hong Kong.
That's right, Juancho. At limited man ang time ng ating daters sa kanilang whirlwind experience dito sa Hong Kong, they still surely made the most out of it. Marami tayong na-witness sa mga kilig moments and authentic connections. Kaya naman, baka ito na nga ang simula ng kanilang love story. Thank you for joining us. My name is Don Chang.
At ako naman si Juancho Trevino, reminding you that time is of the essence. Nurture it, cherish it, because time is your currency in finding true love. This is Love on the Clock.